batas. Kasi ang gusto ko, magaan lang ng tao. Kung alin ang dapat at alin ang pinakamahalaga sa nasaan ang sitwasyon natin. Kasi ang daming tanong ng taong bayan. Bakit hindi nababayaran ng if budget may iba and so on. Yun ang kinasabi sa akin, hindi ko namin sa Facebook. Kasi makera lang. So, hindi ko naman ma-apprehend yung sagot ko because I wanted to say it in such a way that I am reporting also to my fellow elected officials. Whether they're in opposition or aiding me para parents me. In fact, as you can see, wala kayo nakakapagpapasyon. Just, masakit na ba kayo na mapagpagpagpagpag yung totoo eh. And you may think of it differently if you're the one, if you're that person. It's nothing to do with personal things. What is important is ito na lang ba may ilo? Ito problema natin. Masunod na rin. Nasweldo kaya kami. Kasi more isang Mayor, ilan yun? Isa natin yun. Tapos siya halala eh. Ramon, hindi mo na kailangan sinayin ng sila. Sort of sila. Parang natin inconvenient. It's just that malaan lang ng tao. Ito ang masaya ng tao.
Do we have a timeline on the investigation? Kasi syempre, these are...
I will give them time, ample time. But my time is now dedicated to resolve the garbage crisis of the city, the fiscal crisis of the city, and programs of governance. So I have committed 2% of our time will go after and make those individuals, if they are found liable for administratively and criminally, they'll throw the books. But 98% of our time will just focus and make preparations, make programs, plans to address the needs. Yung tugunan yung pangangailangan nila.
Mayor, almost 11 billion.
Yes.
How do you intend to use financial engineering to control? Kasi nung nag-asita ng office,
Zero lang.
99
Zero lang.
ito.
Very zero lang.
I mean, there's a financial problem that is
What
how
is
do you
happening?
do that this time around?
Basta, you'll be part of everything. People will be part of it. By day to day, mamalalaan ninyo how are we resolving this fiscal problem. Indulgence. Ayoko muna maging burden. Kasi pinaka-simpleng sagot yan ay mag-tax. Baliktad yan. Wala na nga kami pera, nagtatax ang misin pa kami. Because I wanted to start with a clean slate sa taong bayan. So, sila, ginagampanan nila tungkulin nila bilang mamamayan, bayad ng buwis. Ipakita mo na namin gampanan namin ang aming tungkulin sa taong bayan. Then, kung ano man yung karagdagang obligasyon, sa dulo na yun. Ngayon, it's more on efficiency. Efficiency.
I feel that some of these people are former appointees of yours. Right now, you see that.
Yeah. Mga
Pinagpiliwanaan nyo ito before.
Yes.
Next.
Hindi ko alam eh. Alam mo, minsan, nakakabalik talaga dito. Hindi ko isip. Baka talaga, wala kang sasagot sa'yo. Kasi, ganyan ba sila dati? Camera, sir. Hindi naman. Camera po. Ganyan ba sila dati? O sa akin sila naglilingkod? Hindi na. Bakit sila naging ganyan? Bakit ba namin naging? Hindi ko alam kung naging direktiba. I don't want to point fingers, but as far as we are concerned, if your question is apples to apples, there are two different players in the same department. Yun. Itong pinusukan niya, nag-iba sila ng gamit o gamay.
Last mo may sir, yung sa basura sir, diba yung Lionel, kahapon libre. Balik na ba sila full time?
Depende mamaya. Kung pamulaan ko lang.
Yorme, nabanggit niyo po kanina umaga sa inspection po na in 3 days time, babalik na sa normal yung garbage collection.
That is our goal. Based on volume, but volume acquired by the city government, DPS, MMDA, engineering, yesterday. But kung makikita mo yung GMA7, nung ini-interview, nag-report siya sa Mariones, nakita mo yung tao nung nakita yung Yunel, naglabas ng basura sa bahay. So that we still don't know. Kung marami pang basura sa labas ng bahay, sa loob ng bahay ng mga kababayan natin. Kasi panawagan ko pa di ba? Pag muna nilang dagdagan, o donate ka muna sa sakripisyo sa loob mo nilang bahay ng sugar, yung nasa kasang nakakalamitid ko. And most of the garbage, the major one, medyo nadali na namin pa. But we still have to go as far as Esquilita, Avenida, and Boulevard. All of them, that's so that's the goal. Will we arrive it? I don't know. But are we going to pursue our goal? Put extra step? Yes, we will. Kirahin lang namin kasi at umiiyak yung taong bayan. Kaya immediately, diba, after a few minutes, we will do. Continue. Okay? Thank you. Mag-ingat kayo. Pasensya na. Hindi na kayo.
Thank you, Yorme.